Good morning, KGE. Today's English work for you, babies. Alright, parents, this is the heading that you will require to write. Match the first sound. Okay. After you have written this, children, now it's our time. Let's write the date 14.7.2020 and this box we don't write. All right, under this box we will write number 1 and we are going to draw a ball. See, ma'am is drawing from the first red line to the next red line. We're using the entire box, so you also do the same. First we are going to set the page and then later on we will work. After number 1, number 2 picture is of a hut. Let's make a hut. Number 3, get number 3 ready and we are going to make an ox. Sleeping line, U, horns for the ox, ears, and half smiley we will cut like this, nose and 2 big eyes. Alright, now after number 3, number 4 dot. Number 4 we are going to write number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, numbers. Number 4 done. Now number 5, tree. After number 5, number 6, we will make a joker. Again we make a U, sleeping line and U, plus for the eyes, big nose, you will color red later, and a smiley. Let's make a triangle cap with a round ball and his hair. Number 7, let's make mango. Number 8, let's make drum. Now for number 9, let's make an egg. Last picture, number 10, we are going to make stairs. Big babies will go to class 1. You will climb the stairs. Okay, these are my babies. And an arrow which shows you're climbing the stairs up. Now, after we have finished drawing, we will leave this box. The entire line we are leaving. Okay, now we are going to write alphabets. H, H. Next, B, B. Next is N, O, O. J, J. M, T, T. U, A. D, D. E, A. Now let's revise our pictures first quickly. Ball. The first sound B. Hut. First sound H. Ox. First sound, first letter, yes. O. O. 1, 2, 3. What are these? numbers. The sound N. Tree. Sound T. Tree. Joker. Joker. Mango. First sound M. Drum. First sound D. Next picture, egg. An egg. First sound E. The child is climbing the stairs. Up. Look at the arrow. Up. The sound A. Now babies, you are going to match the picture to the correct letter. Okay, so let me do for you some, and later you do it and send me your pictures. This is ball and the sound is B. So let's match B. Done. Next picture, H. Always remember to put your pointer finger and match. H. Hut. Very good. Next, ox. O. Ox. Very good. Now, complete this page and send me your photographs. But before that, you're going to color it. I am going to use two colors for the ball. Red and blue. So children, after you have matched, fill in the colors and send me the photograph. Do remember to color inside the picture, not outside, and always change your colors. Keep changing your colors. All right? Take care. Bye-bye.